Morning, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, January the 13th. This is video 4 or 5 of SMC leveling system. That's the short leg, goes from the frame, hydraulic leveling system. It goes from the frame to the chassis suspension. It does not touch the ground. Not a bad system, actually. The circuits we're going over today is the air dump. That means you release the air pressure in your bags. Air springs is the technical word. It'll drop it down. And then we also got a pump relay. We're going to put the air dump circuit, the pump relay on momentary switches. And I'll show you later in another video why, but you probably figured it out. The other one is I went over and wired every circuit and put numbers on them. So we go into coach, it's a lot easier. If you take this one, if you look right here, let's put it up where you can see it. So when you break the front up, it's 529, 520. So you want front up, 529, 520. Close the switch. Then you would hit the momentary on the pump relay. All right. So what it is, you got, it says F, right? So we go flip the panel over, F. And on that wire should be 529 and 520. 529, 520. So I did that throughout the whole circuit. All right. So basically how I did it was I tied these two together. Now the other one, that's your extends. All right. And we did it on all of them. So we did it on the front, the rear, driver's side, passenger side, right? We went over that in video prior, but what we did, I know you're going, man, look at that spaghetti mess. So we had to do retract, not all, but retract, like driver's front to bring it down level with your bubble. All right, driver's front. So you look up here, driver's front, which is left front, driver's front. I'm going to change that. I'm going to make a new block flow diagram. That's 529. So we should go to driver's front, this switch right here, flip it over, go to that one, and driver's front, 530. Oh, it's retract, I'm sorry, retract, 530. Driver's front, 530. So we go here, 530. So I've labeled them all. And what I did is I bought a bunch of these, are called wire markers. Okay, catalog WMB0000, right? That's where I got them from. WW Stancon Incorporated, Stinko. All right, so how they look, all them. I have some that are letters too, but I bought like a big box of them, right? It's because I do this stuff a lot. So there you go. So what you do is just like, you would take number 5 off, and then you would take like, I took a 29 off, so that's your 529. All right, so we labeled all that. That's pretty much what this is about. It looks like a spaghetti mess, but if you watch each video step by step, you'll figure it out. I'm going to go over, if you message me on my Facebook page, RV Diagnostics, over 33,000 members, or if you message me or leave a comment on this video, I can help you do this. I make custom panels for a lot of stuff, slides, leveling system, anything you want. Of course, it costs a little bit, but I can help you. I'm trying to make kits for stuff now. So thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to move forward. We're going to get ready to do an install on this, but there's a couple things I got to test first. One is the leveling leg switches, right? And those are driver's front switch circuit, which means jack is down, 531, 522. How do I know that? I have this book here that's on my Facebook page file section. All right, so here it is. So you go to right front, which is passenger front, full retract level switch. So that is going to turn, when they're all up, the switch opens, and that's going to turn that light off. So I'm just tying them all into one light. If you can't figure out what jack level's down, then obviously I can make a panel to indicate every one of them if you want, but I just need to know they're down. All right, so I should have checked all that before I left, right, that they were up physically. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. Don't forget to subscribe here. Give me some comments. Don't forget about the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics. Don't forget about the paid membership website, www.rvdiagnostics, where I'll help you step-by-step troubleshoot everything. Gas, diesel, chassis, house, coach, hydronic heatings, which is AquaHot, Oasis, Hurricane, AquaHot. So, what's it? HydroHot and AquaHot. HydroHot was the first one. AquaHot was the second version. Anything, folks. Scanners, all kind of stuff. So, like to see you on there. That is $200 a year. Still, that's a deal. Even like, I don't know, $15 a month. No, you can't buy it by the month. You got to pay $200 a year. That's on a website where you go pay. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Safe travels, everybody.